Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the third wave video. So there is lockdown again, and I'm again coming up with desi but sexy cocktails. So today we are having this earthen pot with us. So I'm trying to do something unique with this earthen pot, and we'll try to make a Bacardi Black hot toddy with some honey, some citrus, some cinnamon, some cardamom, and a slice of orange with it. Okay, so to keep it sexy, I have this earthen pot. Okay, I hope you are able to see it. And I have this candle with me. Okay, I'll keep this candle in this earthen pot and I'll light it. So you can see it's burning. And I'll keep this metal holder on this so it can hold my glass. And I'll keep my glass over it. So it'll start heating. And before everything, I'll add 60 ml of rum to my glass. The main ingredient. Okay, now we'll be adding a bar spoon of honey to it, or a spoon of honey to it, to keep it sweet. After that, I'm gonna tear a cardamom and put it inside my cocktail and stir it again. So my rum is infused with the aromas of honey and cardamom in it, and as it is burning beneath it, so it is getting heated up and the ingredients will dissolve quickly. Actually, the weather forced me to have a hot toddy today, so I planned this way. I'll add 200 ml of water to it, washing my bar spoon with the excess honey on it. Perfect. Now we'll be adding ginger to it. So I have this bowl with me in which I'm having ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, and a orange slice, which we'll be adding to this cocktail. So for this hot toddy, we'll add this ginger here. I'll add a cinnamon stick also. Stir it again. So the cinnamon and the flavors of ginger also infuse in my cocktail, my hot toddy with rum today. And to finish with, I'll add some citrus notes to it. I'll add this slice of orange to it, which will be completing my cocktail. And you can see my glass is bit warm now because of the candle beneath it. And this is the best way to have toddy according to me. A bit desi way, but I'm trying to keep it sexy as I said. Cheers. It's getting warm. I'm liking it. It's sexy. Cheers. See, you can see. There is a candle inside it burning, and I'm keeping my cocktail over it, so it keep on giving it the warmth, and I keep on drinking it. Cheers. I'm really loving the citrus note of orange in it. One of the best hot toddies I ever had. Warm toddy for now. Slowly it is getting hot. Okay, cheers. Make one for yourself. Over and out. And for more such cocktails, stay tuned to Sombras.